Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have come up with new video where I am going to show you how to highlight all the selected rows in Excel after fulfilling any of the criteria that we have given. We already know how to use conditional formatting to any of the selected cell, but today I am going to show you how to use conditional formatting to a selected row, that is entire row. For this I have given one example of Nepal's share market, and where I'm going to use conditional formatting to this percentage change. That means if there is positive change in percentage, then it should highlight with green color, and if there is no change, then it should highlight with yellow color, and if there is negative change, then it should highlight with red color, and font color should be white. And before using these formulas, I'm going to tell you one thing, that I'm going to use $ before column J, because in Excel we should always use dollar value to fix any of the column. That means I'm going to use formula in this column J, but I'm not going to fix this value 10, 11, 12, because we are going to use conditions to percentage change, that means column J, but we can use this formula in row 10, row 11, row 12. That's why row I am using row as a variable, but I'm going to fix this column. That's why I'm using $ before J. And before using this formula, I'm going to erase the formula that I have already used for this clear rule. That means I have cleared the rule that I have already used. Okay, now I'm going to select all the values where I'm going to use this formula, conditional formatting. Now there is home tab, and under home tab there is conditional formatting, and we are going to define our own rule. That's why we are going click in new rule, and under new rule at the end here is use a formula to determine which cells to format. Okay, now we are going to define our formula at this place. Before using the formula, I'm going to press is equals to sign, and I'm going to give $ before J and add $10. That means $10. If this value is greater than 0, if it's greater than 0, then it should highlight with green color. It should fill with green color, and then press OK. Now wherever there is greater than 0 values in this percentage change column, it has highlighted a whole, that means all the selected row with green color. If I will press 1 over here, that means it's greater than 0, it will also highlight it with green color. Okay, now I'm going to use second criteria. That means if okay, I'm going to show you how to use this formula. Okay, under use a formula to determine which cells to format, I'm going to use is equals to sign. I'm pressing $ before J and 10. If it's is equals to 0, then it should highlight with yellow color. That means this one color. Okay, that means if there is no change, it will highlight with yellow color. That means if I will press 0 over here, it will also highlight with yellow color. Okay, now second criteria is also fulfilled, and now I'm using the last criteria. That means if value, that means percentage change is less than 0, that means is equals to $J10 is less than 0, then it should highlight with red color. Okay, and font color should be white. Okay, and okay, it has highlighted these negative changes with red color, and font color has also been converted into white. And if I will press -1 over here, it should also highlight with red color. Okay, thank you so much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.